Well, hello friends. Welcome to day 26, flat picking on the porch. Hope you guys are doing well today and enjoying this beautiful day. It's absolutely amazing, stunning day. Today we're going to do a tune that was an original tune written by Kim here, so I'm going to let her tell you what it's titled and tell you a little bit about it.
It's a murder ballad titled,
Hey, bluegrass!
titled I Know What a Cage Bird Sings. It tells the story. Curtis actually wrote a tune a while back, a murder ballad called Early Part of Autumn. So I thought maybe I should not one too. This is what I came up with.
And it's called I Know Why a Cage Bird Sings.
Yes.
Alright. Enjoy.
She sits all alone, cold dark cell, waiting for someone to come pay her bell. In the back of her mind, oh, his memory rings. She opens up her mouth and this song she does sing.
I know why cage bird sings. I know why cage bird sings.
For thoughts of redemption and the hope that it brings. Her eyes were shining, pale blue light. He never saw it coming till he felt her night. She took away her freedom when she took away his life. But he should have been a cheating with that farmer's wife.
I know why cage bird sings. I know why cage bird sings.
For thoughts of redemption and the hope that it brings. She dragged his dead body to a hole in the ground, and the farmer's wife will never be found. They'll lie there together till the end of time, wishing that deception had never crossed their mind.
Well, there you have it, friends. Hope you enjoyed that, and we hope you guys have a great day and enjoy this beautiful weather. Just a quick point out here, we're going to have a special guest with us on Sunday at 3 o'clock. World-class musician. You definitely do not want to miss this. And we're actually going to do a mini concert. So instead of flat picking one tune on the porch, it'll be flat picking and a few other instruments as well. Not going to give away the surprise, but you don't want to miss this. This is a world-class musician and one of the greatest people in the world, and this person can get the job done for sure. So we're going to have them with us on Sunday, and we'll do just a mini concert, probably 5 or 6 tunes, something like that. Don't want to miss Flat Picking on the Porch Sunday, trust me. So we'll be back tomorrow for Flat Picking on the Porch, and then we're going to do a concert tomorrow night
7 p.m.
at 7 p.m. And we might even do it here on the porch if it's not too loud.
Or cold.
There's so many people out today.
Love those mowers, guys.
Yeah, everybody's cutting grass and weed eaters flying everywhere, and a lot of cars on the road today. So
yeah.
So anyway, we'll see. We'll either do it inside or out on the porch. If it's not too cold, we'll do it out here on the porch. But we'll do that tomorrow, and then Sunday tune in for the special guest that you will not want to miss.
Oh, and I was going to point out my awesome pants since you love them so much.
Oh yeah.
This is what happens when you're a short girl. Y'all can see these pants, but you really think those pants are cute. This is what you end up with. I could take some scissors and cut them, and he was like, oh no, it's kind of cool. So I'm just going to hang out in these here at home.
Yeah, those pants were made for an 8-foot tall person.
Yes, not 5'2.5".
Exactly.
All right.
So thank you guys for tuning in. We love you all, and we will be back tomorrow and every day for you at 3 o'clock for Flat Picking on the Porch. Thanks so much for tuning in, and have a beautiful day.
Bye, y'all. Let me not trip on my
Bye,
pants.
everybody.